Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Are you ready to stomp and roar with some colorful dinosaurs? That's what we're going to do in this exciting video. Look how exciting! A T-Rex with bright green scales, and a blue Triceratops with a big frill. We're going to use these dinosaurs to learn about counting. Now that we have all these amazing dinosaurs, let's count them together. 1 dinosaur, 2 dinosaurs, 3 dinosaurs, 4 dinosaurs, 5 dinosaurs, 6 dinosaurs, 7 dinosaurs, 8 dinosaurs, 9 dinosaurs, and 10 dinosaurs. This time it's easier because there are smaller groups. If we didn't sort them, we would have to count all 10 dinosaurs at once. It would be harder. Well done! You learned something new today. Give yourself a nice sticker. You're a superstar. Wow, we have 10 dinosaurs. Can you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. At the end of this video, there will be a link to another fun learning video. Click on that link and keep learning. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Say bye. Bye. Well done. Let's do it again. 1 dinosaur, 2 dinosaurs, 3 dinosaurs, 4 dinosaurs, 5 dinosaurs, 6 dinosaurs, 7 dinosaurs, 8 dinosaurs, 9 dinosaurs, and 10 dinosaurs. Great job. We counted to 10. Counting helps us find out how many of something there are. Let's learn and have fun at the same time. You can learn to just watch and do what I do. Let's go. Wow, a yellow ankylosaurus with a tail like a pincushion. And check out this cool orange brachiosaurus with long, powerful legs. Can you believe it? There are so many awesome dinosaurs here. And look at all these wonderful colors. Dino creation. It's time to get our hands dirty and make some dinosaurs. This is fun. All you need is some Play-Doh, a rolling pin, and cookie cutters. My mom bought me this big pack of Play-Doh. It has lots of different colors. We're going to use some today. Here's the blue one. It's soft and squishy. I love this part. We'll roll it out into a long snake. Now let's cut it into a dinosaur shape. Ta-da! This one looks like a dinosaur tail. Let's make the body. Roll it out, cut it out. Keep going until you have a complete dinosaur. Look at this awesome blue dino. Do you want to make one too? Counting the dinosaurs. Let's sort the dinosaurs by color. There are so many different colors here. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Let's put the orange dinosaurs over here and the green ones over there. There are 3 orange dinosaurs and 4 green dinosaurs. How many dinosaurs do we have here? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Well done. Now let's count the red ones. 1, 2, and 3. We have 3 red dinosaurs. Wow. Let's put the yellow ones over here. There are 2 yellow dinosaurs. Can you count them? 1, 2. Good job. Over here we have the blue dinosaurs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have 5 blue dinosaurs. Next are the purple ones. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are 4 purple dinosaurs. Finally, we have the brown ones. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are 4 brown dinosaurs. Wow. we learned about colors and counting. Do you want to know a secret? When we sort the dinosaurs by color, we can count them again. It's time to say goodbye. Thank you for playing with us today.